स्टॉप सेइंग आई थिंक एवरी टाइम यू स्पीक इंग्लिश, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही वीक एंड बोरिंग साउंड करता है। ठीक है, सो अगर आप भी कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना चाहते हैं, सो चलिए जब भी आप अपना ओपिनियन देंगे तो इसको और बेटर कैसे बनाएंगे। ठीक है, सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू डब्ल्यूएस स्पोकन। दिस इज सुमित स्पीकिंग। सो गाइस, आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं ऐसे 10 ऑल्टरनेटिव्स के बारे में जिसको आप आई थिंक के जगह यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, सो चलिए वीडियो को बिना देर के स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं सो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए जो भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं। ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट, इन माई ओपिनियन, दिस वन इज पोलाइट एंड प्रोफेशनल. Example, in my opinion, this method really works. Perfect for discussion and formal talks. Second, from my point of view, sounds thoughtful and respectful. Example, from my point of view, it's a smart decision. Third, I believe, strong yet positive. Example, I believe everyone can learn spoken English. Fourth, as far as I'm concerned, a great way to make your point clear. Example, as far as I'm concerned, that's the best option. Fifth, the way I see it, more casual and conversational. Example, the way I see it, you should go for it. Sixth, I would say short, simple, and fluent. Example, I would say this app is worth trying. Seventh, to me, quick and modern. Example, to me, that sounds fair. Eighth, it seems to me that shows analysis and reflection. Example, it seems to me that they are not prepared. Ninth, I personally feel adds a touch of emotion. Example, I personally feel this is the right step. 10th, if you ask me, friendly and direct. Example, if you ask me, it's a big mistake. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I believe I can speak English confidently. The way I see it, practice is the key. If you ask me, this video is super helpful. Which phrase was your favorite? Comment below. And next time you speak English, don't say I think. Sound bold and fluent. Like this video, subscribe to WS Spoken, and share it with your friends who still say I think. Speak with power, speak with confidence. This is WS Spoken helping you become fluent one video at a time. See you in the next one.